Alright, go think then.
I am.
Alright, so I'm dropping this trailer now. You heard me? Maverick sent me to this Laurinburg, North Carolina location. I'm about to drop this trailer and I'm about to pick up a new trailer. I can't wait to show y'all my new trailer, man. My new trailer, it's a 22. It's a 22 and that mug raw too. It's raw. You heard me? No cap. But yeah, this how you drop a trailer anyways. Y'all done seen what I done thus far. I didn't show y'all where I got out and I took these apart. So I took these from off of there. Maybe I'll show y'all. You know what? I'm gonna get up here and do it right now. So this how you put them on. You heard me? You wanna. Let me make sure y'all can see. So you wanna have your hand right here on your palm, right here, just like that. Do that. Boom. You want this to line up with that. So right here, boom, 90-degree angle, bring it down. Easy, easy. You do the same thing for this. And for this, you literally just pull this, pick this up, and you just stuff it in there. And the bottom of this is gonna lock right there. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do that. That's how you do that though. So boom, then I'll come here and I'll pull this out. Y'all just seen me do that. I just pulled that out. And now I'm here. And I'm about to let my landing gear down. You know? That's how you do that there. That's how you do that there. But yeah, I'm dropping this trailer off because, you know, my tail lights, I'm gonna go and show y'all my tail lights again. My tail lights fucked up. And I'm also dropping that tire off too, right along with this trailer, because I had I had a blowout if y'all watched the last video. Oh yeah, so you don't wanna lower this landing gear all the way to the ground. You wanna have it about 1 inch off of the ground. And I'll tell you why. Guys, I almost forgot to show y'all again. These are the lights. Completely fucked. You know what I'm saying? This tire right here blew out. This is the tire that blew out. And it literally just, you know, it showed them who was boss, you heard me? No cap. So remember I told y'all that I was gonna tell you why that you want this landing gear to be about 1 inch above the ground. Don't lower it all the way. It's because I'm about to pull up from up under it, and this is gonna drop a little bit. It's gonna drop that inch, and when it drops that little inch, that's gonna give the next person who wants to get up under this trailer to take it wherever, it's gonna be right for them. Because if I lowered that landing gear all the way down to the ground, the trailer would literally stay just like this, the height that is at. And with it doing that, when somebody else came to hook up to it, 9 times out of 10, this will not push in and lock in place. It will not lock around the shank of the kingpin. You know what I'm saying? So you always want to have that at least 1 inch above the ground, so when somebody drives up under it, it'll push this up, and the kingpin will be locked in place. It'll lock in place. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and pull from up under. Go get our other trailer. Let's go get our trailer.
I thought you dropped it.
Hmm?
I thought you dropped the trailer.
I did, and I'm picking one up. See, I'm getting up under it right now.
Oh,
there we go. Now you gonna tug on it. Make sure we locked. We locked. All right, let me make sure I got everything on this trailer. And let me hook it up. So first thing, hold up, let me get my glove. Call me Watts the teacher, because I be teaching. First thing we want to do, we want to hook up. You heard me? I showed y'all on the old trailer. Put your palm here, boom. 90 degree, bring it down. It's a new trailer, so them nice and snug, you heard me? Same thing. 90 degree, pull down. Ain't going nowhere. Electrical line, just throw it in there, just like that. Push it in, make sure it's connected. Your lights will come on, but my lights off right now, so they not on. Make sure you locked in. You see it pushed in. It locked in. And you can double check by coming back here. And you see your fifth wheel locked around the shank of the kingpin. You hear me? Yeah, guys, this is a 2022 trailer. Don't it look new? This mug look new. You can tell F22. That 22 in the front, it means it's a 2022 trailer. You hear me? Yeah, this thing brand new, man. They probably just got this out the box. You hear me? Let me make sure. Look at it, stainless. Look at this stuff, man. Got everything up in here, huh? Let me go check the other side, dude. But I don't know how to work this. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, okay. I got my two 4-foot steel tarps. You call them steel tarps. You can call them 4-foot drop tarps. Okay. It's a nice trailer right here. Look at it. Look at it shine, man. And I got my tail light. Stop playing. Unlike my last trailer. Okay. Okay, I need to make sure that that's an 8-foot. That's an 8-foot for sure. And then I got my 3 of those. I think this is a 4-foot. It's a 4-foot. Yep. Oh, what's those 8-foot tarps over there on the other side? Cause both of these look like 4-foots. This one says 4-foot, so I know for a fact it is. This one too, steel tarp. So my 4-foots so are my. Wait, hold up. I did that wrong. So these 8-foots over here? See, I have my 4-foots on my last trailer. I have my 4-foots over here, but they actually look like 4-foots, I think. Oh, no the fuck they don't. These are definitely 8-foots. And double check. That's the double check right there. Shit, they heavy. Those are 8-foots for sure. Okay, let me go back over here and check the top compartment. I'm gonna go back to my old trailer and get two of those bevel, those timbers, those 8-foot timbers, because I like to have a couple extras. Got those 1, 2, 3, 4. Got those 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. There we go. Now let's probably gonna try to finagle up out of here.